Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to eBay, step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are on ebay.com and we have our CJ Dropshipping right here. So the first thing that you need to do is go into CJdropshipping.com, and then from here, log in into your account if you already have one, or if you don't have one, then you can register. The button is right here on the top right. So once you are now signed in here in CJ Dropshipping, what you would need to do is connect your eBay first with your CJ Dropshipping account. So to do that, here in CJ Dropshipping, navigate on the left side, and from here, scroll down until you see authorization. And then from here, you want to select eBay. And then after that, we will now be proceeding to the process of connecting our eBay account into our CJ Dropshipping right here. So let's just click here on Add Store. And now let's wait for it. So we would need to authorize this. Click on agree and continue. And now let's see. Right here, as you can see, it would authorize automatically as fast as that right here, because our eBay account right here is already logged in. So make sure that it is already logged in before you go and authorize it in CJ Dropshipping, so you don't have to log in manually when you click on authorize here in CJ Dropshipping. So now once it is authorized, we can now add products into our eBay from CJ Dropshipping. So click here on Find Products. So now here we are on the Find Product section, and from here all you have to do left is to select the product that you want to list into your eBay store. So let's say this jacket right here. So you want to click on that just for an example, and then from here you would now want to click on the list button here at the bottom so that you'd be able to add this into your eBay store. Click on that, and then from here you want to make sure here in the store selection that you are selecting your eBay store and not the other stores right here if you have other stores. And from here you want to select the listing site and so on, depending on your location, the title, select category, payment method that you'd want, shipping methods, and the designer brand. And then next is the variant pricing. So this is where you can see all of the variants for this product that you would want to add into your store. So you can just select specific variants. So let's say only this one right here. I'm gonna select that, and maybe also this one, just for an example. And next is that you would want to go here at the right side. So you want to press the arrows on your keyboard so that you can scroll here sideways. And in here, you would need to input your price. So your price here must be higher than this one right here. So must be higher than $28.28. So I'm just gonna indicate this price right here in Philippine peso. So I'm just gonna go for 3,000 for example. So it will now be $50 in equivalent. So it is higher than this one, which is correct. So now I'm just gonna go for the listing quantity also. So this is also very important. I'm just gonna go for 100. And then next one is this one. So I'm just gonna put the same thing and 100 right there. So now it's all good here in the variant pricing. We have selected the price and the listing quantity. And also we have checked this one right here. And now we are gonna go here, shipping from, ship my orders to, and shipping methods. You can also customize this if needed. And next is the images and videos. This is where you can see and use the images and videos of this product, and you can also use this into your eBay store. Next is the description. So if you want to change anything, this is where you can change it. And yeah, that is basically it for this one. And all that's left now is click here on list now, and it will now be added into your eBay store. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.